Hello, everyone. I just want to tell you guys you have done a fantastic job. So, first thing I want to tell you, you guys have done so well with practicing your vocabulary, counting in Spanish, and saying your new words and phrases, and I really appreciate it. I know it may not be easy. Personally, it's harder for me not being in class with you guys, and I miss not being with you, but you have done a fantastic job at trying, and I really appreciate that. For today, you are going to continue working with your new vocabulary, with your list that you got on Friday. So for today, you're going to practice in Quizlet, just like you did last week, with your numbers and months, but this time with your new list, with the new words and phrases. So you'll find the link to Quizlet underneath this video. Please make sure you follow this link. Please don't just go to Quizlet on your own. You need to go to this link so that it'll take you to the correct set. I want you to go through the flashcards again, go through them slowly, and make sure you have your audio on so that you can hear them being said in Spanish. Once you've gone through all the flashcards, I then want you to choose some of the other activities on Quizlet for that set. You can do matching, you can do gravity, you can do test if you want to, or write. I want you to practice. Spend about 15-20 minutes in Quizlet, and I want you to take a screenshot of how you practiced besides the flashcards. If you would like to continue with matching, that one seems to be a favorite, that's fine. If you'd rather try a different activity in Quizlet with the vocabulary, that's fine too. So it's totally up to your own preference. You will screenshot that and then you will upload that for today's assignment. Today's assignment will say Quizlet Spanish vocabulary, and I will have a link to that also underneath this video. Please make sure you guys are checking the gradebook here in Canvas and in PowerSchool. Make sure they match, that I haven't missed anything. Please also check your comments that I have left in your assignments. Hope you guys have a great day, and let me know if you need anything.